On my way back to learning Illustrator in the year day 75, let me show the basics of the eraser tool. We'll just create a rectangle. We want to have a fill no stroke. Now let's activate the eraser tool because we want to basically cut into it. Shift E would be the short key if you can't find it. And you can see you can erase your elements. If you do it by hand, you're not going to get straight lines. Even if you have a very calm hand, the line will be a little bit wobbly. You can see that if I zoom in a little bit. But you can also hold Alt and then left click drag, and this gives you kind of like a new rectangle, and that's the eraser rectangle, you could say. So hold Alt and then left click drag, and then your lines, they will be perfectly straight. And the eraser tool, at least for these kind of tasks, has gotten a little bit obsolete thanks to the shape builder tool. Let me create a second rectangle here. I'll put it on top and make it bigger than the first one, then I'll select both. I activate the shape builder tool. Then I hold Alt and I left click drag over the areas that I want to delete. And you can see that cuts into my rectangle, the black one in the background as well. And you can use that method to have these straight lines. But if you just want to have a quick deletion option for horizontal and vertical lines, even inside of objects right here, just activate eraser tool, hold Alt and then left click drag. And you can see we've created a cutout here using this method. And these are the basics of the eraser tool in Illustrator. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.